In this video we will see how to enable anti-theft alarm in Infinix Note 60 Pro. Before enabling anti-theft alarm, let's see what is actually an anti-theft alarm is. Let's suppose you have kept your phone connected to a headset cable, and if somebody tries to pull the plug, pull the headset without any approval, then it starts an alarm. And second, if your phone is in charging, maybe at railway stations or airports or even at your desk, and you went away from your phone, if somebody pulls out the plug and it starts alarm. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed to our channel. If you haven't, please subscribe, because we spend a lot of money in making these videos, and for you it is just a click of a button and which is free. Please subscribe and let's get into the video. So these are the two anti-theft alarms which you can set, and now let's see how to enable these two. For that you need to go to your settings and click on this password and security. Click on mobile anti-theft. Here you will find theft alert. Here you can set two things: when charging disconnected and when earphones unplugged. Both the things which we have seen right now. If you want to enable only for earphones unplugged, then you can enable them individually, of course with an approvals. And if you don't want to enable any of these things, then just disable it. Okay, every feature has a disadvantage also, and there is a other side of the coin also. Now I'll show you what is that other side of the coin. Let's suppose your phone is in charging and I have set this anti-theft alarm, and now I am plugging this charger. Okay, everything works fine. Now let's see, I haven't pulled the plug and it is still charging. Here you can see it is still charging. Now we are in the summer, and many times in India there is a power cuts, and if power is off automatically, then also it starts alarming. So this is other side of the coin. And so my advice is that if you are in travel, or if you feel that this is not a safe area, in those areas please remember and enable this feature. And this is a really good feature, mobile anti-theft alarm. The product link is in the below description, and also I would like to hear more from you, and please like, share and comment on your thought on this video. Thanks for watching.